Good afternoon. This is Dr. Walter Black, the Senior Symbols Consultant and Standards Consultant with VidCAD LLC. VidCAD is a tool that works on top of AutoCAD, VidCAD, and Visio to do the complete symbols documentation. It's all based on standards. This is the InfoComm, ANSI, and National CAD standards, AV floor plan and reflected ceiling plan symbols. We also work with the complete point-to-point wiring and rack drawings. And that's in just a few seconds. We're going to show you basically how this is will work with starting a new symbol. Everything about our symbols are created inside of this is the VidCAD Phoenix Explorer, and you build your project here. You just take your equipment list, add the inputs, outputs, and signal types to that. From that, then you drag the inputs and outputs you want to show on the blocks, drop them into the drawing, and then you touch the output of one piece, the input of another, and it automatically does the entire documentation for you, putting even down to the connector information and the particular signal protocol and the cable type you've chosen and the color for that signal inside of the cable database. All of the cable labels are all ANSI and InfoComm based compliant. The racks are all InfoComm racks compliant. This is some different views of the same rack. The differences is just the template that we use to look at it. This is a single line system, and here's the same drawing with the point-to-point wiring, and we can even move the symbols around and keep all the cables connected. This is the equipment list, and then we're going to come up with the cable cut list that we would use to do the cables in the factory. This is one of the cable labels. This is a more advanced cable label coming up next. Again, all compliant with the InfoComm cable labeling standard, so that you can do the documentation without typing, without drafting, in any format you want. And as I was mentioning earlier, we start with the VidCAD Explorer. To build the equipment database takes about 1 minute to build any piece of equipment, and then you put it output in VidCAD, AutoCAD, or Visio, and they all have the same look. So if you're using multiple formats within your organization, everything looks the same. For further information, please contact VidCAD at 800 VidCAD 6 or vidcad.com.